How to transfer money from Commonwealth. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So CommBank transfer limit is $20,000 for unlinked accounts and $5,000 for international. In CommBank app, if you're trying to transfer between two accounts, you need to log in and then go to pay and transfer between the accounts. You need to enter amount, description, and transfer and confirm the timing and share and done. And by net bank, you can transfer between accounts by logging in, go to transfers and BPAY, then choose accounts and enter the details, and then tap on transfer. For overseas transfers, you need a recipient's full name, address, account number, IBAN, SWIFT or BIC. You can go ahead, tap on pay, then tap on pay someone and go to overseas transfer, choose contact and enter the country details and tap on next. And if you want to transfer to someone directly, you can do it by CommBank app. You need to simply log in, go ahead, tap on pay, then tap on pay someone, then go to mobile bank account, choose contact, enter amount, then go ahead and tap on pay now. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.